Hello everyone, welcome to iPad for Teaching and Productivity series, and this time in this video I would like to demonstrate a great app, one of my favorite app on iPad and also on my iPhone. This app is called Pocket. It's a free app you can download from Apple App Store, and basically what it does is we can use this app as an offline reader. So what's the meaning of offline reader? Before I get into details, let me open this Pocket application, and you can see on the screen here. So what you see on the screen here is actually the articles on my iPad, which I have saved from Safari web browser. So basically, when I was reading the article on Safari online, when I'm connected to the internet, but I don't have time to read the article, so basically what I do, I save the article into this app. And now if I scroll down, you can see I have saved many articles, and this article I can read anytime, even when I'm offline or when there is no internet connection. So for example, if I click the first article here, and it will open this article in this app. So you can see I have a full article with the pictures here, but it is formatted differently in different format from the original article, from the original website. On the top here you can see I have an option to actually view this article from the original website if I'm connected to the internet. So I can also view the article from the original website. So this is how the original article looks like. But if you are not online, you can view this article offline without internet connection if we have saved the article into Pocket. So that's the meaning of offline reading, offline reader. So I click here to go back. Okay, before I show how what are the different features in this app, let me show you how to save the article into this app. So let's say I go to Safari web browser. So I'm in Safari web browser now. So you can see I have one article. So I can read this article online if I have an internet connection. But if you are very busy and we don't have time to read the whole article, what we can do is we can save this article using the Pocket application, and we can read it offline anytime we like, even without internet connection. So to do that, if you see on the top toolbar here, I have one menu called Save to Pocket. This is called Bookmarklet. So I will show you later how to install this Bookmarklet into Safari web browser. So once you have installed this so-called Bookmarklet, all you need to do when you find an interesting article you want to save for offline reading, you can just simply press or click this Bookmarklet, and you can see it's saving now to Pocket. Page save. So if we switch back to Pocket, so you can see on the top right hand corner, now it's updating. So you can see there's a new article appear in Pocket. Yep. So this is the article from the original website, and this is the article that we have saved into Pocket. So if we click this, and we can see the whole article in a simplified format, very easy to the eyes to read, and you can read this article anytime, even without internet connection. So this is very useful. For example, if you plan to travel on a long distance flight, so what I usually do, I will download or I will save as many articles as possible from web browser into Pocket, and on the plane I can read this all this article offline. I go back here. So before I show you how to install the Bookmarklet in the Safari web browser, let me show you some of the features in Pocket. So as you can see, I have the article saved in this form, but you can also, if you press on the top left hand corner here, I can press here and I can view the articles in this form. So it's up to you, it's our choice in which view we prefer. And here we can choose to view all items. We can view the articles in Pocket in two ways. This one view, this is actually my favorite. But another view is if you go to the left, if you see it on the left, on the top left hand corner here, if you click that, and can change the view to this view. This is a list view. Maybe sometimes convenient to browse all the articles that we have saved in Pocket in this way. So it's up to, it's your choice and your preference. And another thing, again, also on the top left hand corner here, if you click that, so you can see, you can view the items, all items, which means that you can view all the articles which you have saved in Pocket, or you can view the item by articles, or only articles containing video, or only images. And over here, if we click that, this is to go to the first page, which is the main page, home. Favorites, we can favorite any article. We can archive any article, and we have some option there. This is actually for managing a few things in Pocket. And if we look at each article, for example this one, if I just swipe to the right like this, you can also have a few options here. So on the top one here is actually tag. You can add tags, which is the keyword. So this is a good practice to add relevant keywords or tags for the article, because we can use this to search for any articles that we are interested very quickly. And we can search article by the tags. So let's say maybe I want to search any article about flip classroom. Okay, then it will show up all the relevant article about flip, or articles containing the word flip in the title or in the content. So this is a quick way for us to jump to any articles that we are interested in. Okay, that's very briefly about this app. In another video, I will show how to install the Bookmarklet. There's only a few steps, but it can be quite tricky. So I decided to do this in another separate video. So you can find the link to this tutorial how to install the Bookmarklet in the description below this video. So I hope you have enjoyed this brief tutorial, and I hope you will find it useful. Thank you for listening and for watching.